This is the most comprehensive quant program on the iPhone. So let's start with an example of downloading stock data. So here we are downloading Google stock from 2010 to today, and we plot it here. And let's run this. And here we have our output. You can see Google, how it's performed over the last 2 years or so. We can change this to something else. For example, let's do Microsoft here, and you run this, and there we have our output for Microsoft. Note that we still have the output for Google from in the previous one. And we can do even more research on this. Let's, for example, here compare how the financials have performed. Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo. And this is a time period. So let's run this. This is a lot, and here it is. So this is how they performed, starting from 1, going up to the end of last year. We see how they've all performed. And here's a legend. The next thing I'm going to show here is using QuantLib for the option pricing. So here we have got something, it's a very simple stock. So this is a current price, and here's the strike, volatility, and the risk-free rate. And this is the time period we're looking at. And let's run it. And note here we get the graph for the core price. This is the current stock price here. And we also get more. We got the Greeks here, the delta and the gamma, and we've got the prices, the call and the delta for certain strikes. And here we are. Yet there's more. We can go on. For example, we can do bar plots. This one here is looking at the returns for Goldman Sachs from 2007 to today. So let's run this. And here we see how the returns for Goldman Sachs have been for the last 4 years or so. Another example which we can do is a stock correlation. Let's compare how Goldman Sachs and Bank of America performed from the beginning of 2011 to the end of 2011. And let's run this. See, we've got the correlation graph here. And here we've got the correlation coefficient and the regression equation. One more example is this one here. This is a very simple one, just a pie chart. And let's run this. And here we have an example of a pie chart. All this works on the iPhone. Okay, thank you.